Dear webhook user, this is just beautiful. Everything you want is here. And sure, if you can map it on your side, this would be okay. And you just have to add this link, target link, webhook, where it's for your CRM, post JSON registered, activate. You have to select and then just save. And then you have these results. Sure, when you have opt-mail and it's not the wording your CRM system is using, then we map it and we write email. And that's the mapping. And then test it again. Some catch all email address. If you have a Gmail email address, do the plus to have it more clear, because I want to see which email address is successful. See here? And now it's called email. So I would say that's the quickest tutorial you can have. I will paste this inside the knowledge base so you can see if this is all good for you, and you can just copy the name. And if it is not good for you, you just go here and go blind. Just select the name. What am I? The name. And it's name. Just go blind and you couldn't be sure it's working. It's then here, name in small letters. Okay, so field can be empty with all this empty, and it can be filled and with fields mapped. And so you don't have to do it on your side. Something can be here equal. It's the webinar ID. We have webinar 23. That's coming from the link here. You see webinar 4 or webinar 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a webinar ID. You see it also when you look inside the URL. And 23. And then you do like tags, because this is a tag. Then you do the so for fluid, I don't know. You need to look what is the tag. We have the brackets normally, and then 8 in the middle, or comma 8 and 10. Then you set up the tags, and then the tag is set. The same is possible with lists, and you just check it. It's Fluent CRM. If your CRM does it different, do it different. But then you can have the ID for the webinar with a tag or put them in a list. So you have a name, and maybe in the webinar they visited for level 1 webinar, free webinar. Other one is paid, and if the free webinar is successful, that's attended. But you can do another one that's attended. Then you can do one more level up, one level up, one level up, one level up. So it's good to know which webinar he was registered and attended. And the sales you often do with your own plugin. You can do here, but it's just taking the pixel from the web console and then triggers it. Never used it. Taking the pixel from the live console, which is here. It's an iframe. Yeah. So that you can also do. Okay, so that's webhooks, the easiest connection, and let's do something. There's coming a new webinar. What you do is just add the ID equal 24 because it's the next one, list or tag, and then it's 10. Here we do 9. It's normally brackets, but I don't know how to do them at the moment. So that's when you have a next webinar. That's it, because all other data, email and name, it's the same. That's why they have just here the same field name. If you go for custom, it's here, and sure, it's not speaking to you, but therefore we have it here. Phone field, it's the phone custom field. So here you see it's custom 3 in red. Just give it a name and select it here, and you have the value and can map it, or you can do some conditions. Yeah, I love it, and we spent a lot of time on it, and it was worth it. And with 3.4.5 we released this. Have fun and have a good connection, and it's if your CRM knows what the Webinarignition is doing, the CRM can handle, you can handle the persons differently on a call, via autoresponder email. It's just very, very good. I like tag system. So the Checkpack CRM can be connected, and it has also a tag system. Fluent CRM also. Okay.